we want them, we want to revive a balanced religious life in our family. 20th century is a big, rude interruption, a real intrusion and a real crime perpetuated against us, by just number killed, by the forbidden religious practices, but the fact that people are forced to secularize. It's also the temptations of the 20th century, where freedom was allowed, that people abandoned their ways. And I think the wisdom is somewhere in the middle. That, and of course, I'm speaking personally, that I do not judge anybody who's atheistic, who doesn't see religion in their lives. But from at least my personality, my wife's, what we think is a healthy part of one's identity, a certain amount of religion is healthy. And to specifically take up our ancestral religion, and with all the wisdom that we do appreciate in a very academic religion, in a very learning-oriented, very personal responsibility religion. We appreciate all these aspects of it, that there is this kind of, I am self-motivated and I will perpetually look for self-improvement. All these, what I'm describing really are not religious values. These are just general values that I have come to admire, and lo and behold, I found that my ancestral religion seems to have some of that, bits and pieces. Maybe I need to look at it with a more progressive lens or what, but I can encapsulate it in the package of my ancestors' religion, so I would love it if it can continue as if 20th century didn't happen.